Hey y'all, I have this hair dryer to share with you. As you can see, this is very small, so you're going to be able to take this anywhere, which is super duper amazing. So when you're traveling, going to a sleepover, whatever it is, or you just want to make sure that you're able to store it, this is nicely compact. Also, this has a little magnetic piece on here you can attach if you would like to pull it off very easily. Super nice. And you have two power settings here, and then you're off. And then your temperature button here. This does a really good job of drying your hair very fast without feeling like it's burning your hair off. I really enjoyed my experience with this, and I really recommend it for any type of hair type. Personally, I have curly hair and it worked just fine for me, kept the shape and everything. So I'm gonna be using this and raving about this for so long. I personally highly recommend this. I think this is very efficient, like I said, very compact, and just gonna give you so many different benefits. Definitely check this out and try it for yourself.